Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present about our lab, which is TASK2 automatic sorting machine. And today I want to present about our ladder diagram and HMI setting for our ladder diagram. So next, I will continue to our ladder diagram. Alright, first of all, this is our PLC text. What we use in this ladder diagram for this setting in our ladder diagram. So this is our PLC text. So when we press the push button start, the operation will start, and when the operation will start, motor conveyor B will detect motor conveyor B motor conveyor B. So when operation will start, when operation start, the motor conveyor B will move, and the system include an additional sensor SE5, which is positioned to detect any box that is present at a critical location in the sorting area. If SE sensor 5 detect a box, the system responds by stopping conveyor box B. The conveyor must stop immediately to prevent box overflow or collision, ensuring that the boxes are sorted and moved one at a time. And when operation start, SE4 sensor 4 will be moved. And first of all, I want to talk about height of the boxes, which is we have three height: small, medium, and high. For high 40 cm, these boxes are the tallest, and next medium 35 cm. These are moderately tall boxes, and low 30 cm. These are the shortest boxes in the system. And sensor detection for height is to sort the boxes. The system uses three sensors: SE1, SE2, and SE3, each responsible for detecting a specific box size. For SE1, detect height boxes 40 cm. SE2 is medium boxes 35 cm, and sensor 3 is detect low boxes 30 cm. So this is our program for detect the height of boxes. What we setting for small box is 2 seconds, medium is 4 seconds, and the height boxes is 6 seconds. This process to detect box. So for network 4 is sensor. Okay, so for network 4 is sensor. When operation start, the ladder diagram, the circuit is continue. For the when sensor 1 detect, which is sensor 1 detect when sensor 1 detect height boxes, small boxes, the small box will detect it, and for a medium boxes 35 cm SE2 sensor 2 activate as we solenoid valve 2, and the piston push the medium height box into the designated area. And lastly is for low boxes 30 cm sensor 3 triggers solenoid valve 3, sorting these smaller boxes accordingly. So this is our ladder diagram. When sensor 2 detect box, the medium box will detect it and will push the box using the solenoid valve. Our so this is our ladder diagram for okay. So this is our function for control the solenoid valve, which is we have a solenoid valve 1, 2 and 3. We control the boxes, which is small, medium and high. Okay, so for this circuit is system pulsing when count reach 12. When any of the box categories high, medium or low reach a total of 12 boxes, the system automatically pauses the sorting operation for that specific category. The system is designed to pause this part of the operation without requiring the operators to press start again. Once the box count for a particular height reach 12, the operation halt until the operation press the reset button. Pressing this button reset the counter for the height category, allowing the system to resume sorting. Pulse for the shift register is activated by the sensor SE4 that generates one pulse per rotation. If sensor 5 detects any board, then conveyor mode B must be stopped. One Hz flashing light at the alarm lamp. The buzzer also will sound with a 2 Hz pulse tone until the reset button is pressed. So the boxer will be counted according to their height. If any of the box reach the quantity of 12, the operation will stop until the reset button is pressed. The operation will continue without pressing the start button. So box sensor. So when stop, when push button press, the operation will stop until the reset button is pressed. The operation will continue without pressing the start button. So next I will show you about our setting for HMI schematic. So first of all, we must compile our all of thing, which is our program, and also we must compile the setting for the HMI. So next we press the download and compiling configuration for all of thing for this HMI. So override all and load. So this is maybe take a few seconds to loading and compiling all of thing, and then we start the simulation for this schematic HMI, and maybe take a few seconds. So this is all our setup for schematic HMI. Refer to our task and our coding, our ladder diagram. For for sensor 1, for height, it will be detected by the sensor SE1 and then sorted by the pneumatics piston SV1. Then for the box with the medium height, it will be detected by the sensor SE2 and then sorted by the pneumatic piston SV2. And lastly, for the box with the low height, it will be detected by the sensor SE3 and then sorted by the pneumatic piston SV3. The pneumatic piston SV1, SV2 and SV3 are double acting type solenoid valve. Each pneumatic piston will have two outputs to control forward and reverse, while the clock pulse for the shift register is activated by the sensor SE4 that generates one pulse per rotation. And if a sensor 5 detects any box, then conveyor box B must be stopped. One has flashing light at the alarm lamp. The buzzer also will sound with a 2 Hz pulse tone until the reset button is pressed. The boxes will be counted according to their height. If any of the boxes reach the quantity of 12, the operation will stop until the reset button is pressed. The operation will continue without pressing the start button. So that's all from us. Thank you.